In celebration of its 5th anniversary, Club Ertiga Philippines held a General Assembly in Pasay City. New members were invited to bring their cars, and Club Ertiga Philippines stickers were put on their preferred side of their unit. Meanwhile, Ertigal's stickers were put on cars of the women counterpart of the club. The new members were then oriented on club policies and guidelines. The club, which started in 2015, has grown exponentially, with members coming from all over the country and has continued to grow even more.
Many people are already looking at the Ertiga as a good car, and then they're looking to find some sort of support system for the car. So they try to join a club that will be beneficial for them. So basically, Club Ertiga is getting bigger and bigger.
For the past years, the club has been organizing activities and events that help their members with concerns related to their Suzuki Ertiga units as well as for the community. These include feeding and calamity programs, elderly support, and other charitable events.
When we see that there is an opportunity to help, we try to gather everybody and give highlight to that occurrence or to that instance, and if they can help, we provide a channel for them to help. To all owners of Suzuki Ertiga, I would like to invite you to join Club Ertiga Philippines. We are found almost anywhere in the Philippines. You can see our club sticker. You can officially enter the Club Ertiga Philippines world by joining our FB page.